We have multiple YouTube traffic sources that all give our videos more views. In this YouTube traffic tutorial, I will explain you all traffic sources and how they tie together. At the end, you will know on which one you should focus first. Hey YouTubers, Nico here. All our views come from one of these traffic sources. YouTube search is the obvious one and the reason we optimize our video metadata. People may also visit our videos from external places like Google or social media. We have the subscriptions tab where our subscribers get to see our new videos. Notifications inform our active viewers about our new uploads as well. The home screen and the suggested videos recommend our videos to viewers. Although these are two distinct ways to discover content, I combined these two traffic sources because they are driven by the same YouTube algorithm. Then we have the trending tab. If your video shows up in that tab, you have made it. And finally, we have linked content. This is the sum of all techniques to make people watch multiple videos in a row. Think playlists, cards, end screens. Alright, the big question is, which traffic source is more important? Which traffic source should you focus on to grow your channel? For that, you have to understand that all traffic sources are in some way tied together. Let's look at YouTube search, for example. If a video is found in search, then you have the chance to make your linked content count. A viewer finds your video in search, watches it, and if you, for example, recommend another video of yours in the end screen, then that viewer may watch the second video as well. Thanks to this combination, you get not one, but two views from that viewer. By the way, the same is true for home and suggested. YouTube went on record that if a video does well in search, then it has a higher chance to do well in home and suggested too. What this all means is that if you optimize your videos well for search, you not only tap into search traffic, you also benefit from additional traffic on top. Let's look at Google and other external traffic now. If you get that traffic, you can make it count even more with linked content. Next up, we have the subscriptions tab. Again, if people watch one of your videos from the subscriptions tab and you, for example, link them to another video via a card, then you get even more views from that subscriber. The more a subscriber watches your videos, the more YouTube will send notifications to that person, as well as recommending your videos to her on home and in the suggested videos. Those engaged subscribers are worth a lot for your channel. And talking about notifications, make them count even more via linked content. Each new video you upload and people watch because they got notified is yet another chance for you to recommend an older video of yours which they may not have watched yet. Home and the suggested videos are a powerful traffic source. Through this traffic source, especially your engaged viewers keep coming back for more. And the more engaged they are, the more often they get notified about your new videos. Again, you can make their views count even more by leveraging linked content. And if your video really does well on home and suggested, then it may even show up in the trending tab. The trending tab is the pinnacle of it all. It really is not easy to get in there, but if you do, I hope you have your linked content all figured out. You really want to make the most out of the huge traffic you'll get then. And as you can imagine by now, linked content really is the center of it all. Any traffic that you get is boosted with this strategy. But how do you make linked content work? Did you hear about the view handoff method? This method is truly powerful and I'm using it in all my videos now. Check out this video where Brian G explains step by step how you make it work. If you don't already, start applying it right now to all your new videos because it boosts all your traffic and truly makes your channel grow faster. Alright, I hope this video gave you a great overview. Make sure to click Brian's video now. Cheers, my friends!